Yeah. And you're going to win it.
Yeah.
You really, really, really want to be the governor for Nairobi?
I want to be the governor of Nairobi.
Why?
Because I want. Because I want to be the governor.
What are you going to do differently that Sakaja is not doing?
I don't want to talk about Sakaja.
Yeah, okay, what are you going to do differently?
I don't want to talk about Sakaja. Sakaja is doing his best. He's doing his job. It's fine. It's okay. I don't want to be that politician that I'll come talk negative about other politicians.
Okay.
It is my democratic right to vie for that seat.
Okay.
But I don't want to become a snitch or to become someone that huyu hajafanya, mimi nataka kukua kwa sababu huyu hajafanya. Sakaja amefanya. I have worked with Sakaja. I've done even his project. You saw me the other day nilikuwa town nikionyesha project ni Sakaja amefanya pale CBD na kumcongratulate na kumwambia umefanya kazi mzuri. So Sakaja is working.
Okay.
So it's only that me I want to become the governor of Nairobi.